What's going on, everybody? This is Old School Skinny. I got my party people with me today to give you a nice stretch, warm that body up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well. Let's get it in, y'all.
Go!
Old School Skinny! Breathe. Stretch, open up those arms, chest up, breathe, arms up. Nice. Exhale. Nice. And open up those legs. Open. Inhale. Breathe. Stretch up. Keep those arms up. Straight. Nice. Flatten those palms. Stretch. Pull those shoulders all the way up to your ears. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Nice. And release. And let that go. Bend in those knees. Nice, guys. And press that up one more time. Nice. Shoulders all the way up, all the way up. Flat palms, stretch. And exhale. Squat. Nice. Up. Woo. Press. Nice. And let's stretch that all the way over. Drop one arm and reach all the way over to the other side. Keep that head straight. Yeah. Nice. And give me a click. Click. Nice. Nice. Bend those knees a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't lock that knee. Yeah. Ha. 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 Other side. Stretch. Breathe. All the way over. Bend. Bend in that hip. Slight bend in the knee, yeah? Stretch. Nice. And click. Nice. Nice. Keep that head straight. Uh-huh. And arm up. Breathe. Lock those hands together. Nice. Tilt back. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Nice. Stretch up. And let's take that all the way down, yeah? Stretch all the way over yourself. Flat on the floor if you can, hands flat. Open up those hips a little bit, stretch that out. Nice, drop the head. Breathe. And now we're gonna tap behind ourselves, yeah? So you're gonna open up those hands and tap, tap. Let me turn this, tap, and tap. Nice. Tap. Keep it going. Breathe. Nice. And center. Keep it centered. Hands flat on the floor. And let's drop that butt. Give me a nice squat, yeah? Right here. Nice. Breathe. Make sure you keep that chest up. Shoulders. Shoulders. I'm sure you guys hear Drew in the background. But of course, everybody's a mom, a dad, a parent, a cousin, an auntie. We can still get in these good stretches, yeah? And hey, even the kids can join you too, huh? Nice. Flat palms. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Keep it tight. I know. Butt up. Breathe. Stretch. Drop that head. I know, Judy. I know. Stretch. And butt down one more time. Nice. Open up that chest. Nice and high. Give me shoulders. Uh-huh. Nice. There you go. Keep it strong. Keep it tight. And you ready for this one? This is Tokyo's favorite over here. Let's push that up. Keep that squat tight. Press, 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 release. Nice. Butt up. Oh, nice and slow. Yes, y'all. Get it in. Get it in. Stretch. Nice. Open up those hips. And let's stretch over. Bring that hand up behind you. Nice stretch. Press. Keep that arm straight. That's right above your head. Lunge Other side. Up. Keep that arm straight, straight, all the way. Nice. Other side. Stretch. Nice. Nice. Ha. Keep it long. Other side. Hey. Stretch. Nice. Let's pick it up. Other side. Other side. Hey. Keep that arm straight. Stretch. Lunge. Ha. Come on. Nice. Breathe. Nice. Keep that arm up. Nice. Double time. 7, 8. Ha.
Go.
Ha. Come on. Ha. You can stretch that arm all the way, or you can keep it close to the chest. Keep them going. Ha, ha, ha. Step, tap, tap, tap. Let's go. Ha. Nice. Breathe. Keep it up.
Let's go.
Great job, y'all. Nice warm up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you soon. Let's go.
Yeah.
Old school skinny!